Didn't help it any. Okay, should be able to get up in the air now. Looks like we're already in the air. Okay. I can turn the wheel now. Oh, well, if you took the belt off, you could. The strap. Okay. Yeah, I didn't complain about the noise at all. This is supposed to make that noise. Oh. What do you think? Is it supposed to make that noise? I don't think so. Okay, I'm about to get in there and bend that bar back forward so it doesn't hit on the swing arm. That thing right there. So we'll have to manipulate that a little bit with an appropriate tool. Might resemble this. Yeah. Okay, that didn't work very well. But I got a plan. We've got to have a plan. Plan B. Or are we on like E or F? Maybe we're in Z already. Okay, I got a plan. Ah. Ball's a piece of bar stock. The appropriate size hammer on the said bar stock. There we go. Seems to be pretty solid. Yeah, didn't want to move. Wonder if I actually didn't bend that. I don't know. I was going up, not back, so maybe something was banging on the ground and did that. See, that might have been bent from drag marks in the ground, like these big notches under here. See, those are concrete marks. So I bet you that's been bent from hitting on the road. Cause that thing is a lot stronger than what I'm moving right now. It needs to have a big bar stuck in there to make that thing straighten out. And this little tire iron ain't gonna be big enough. You can see how the swing arm just moves there. Yeah, so I think that has been previously beat. So every time this thing goes down, tops out, it goes bang, 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 bang against this. I'm sure you never heard that either. Yeah. So the only way to fix that is you got to pull the swing arm out, beat the tar out of that thing with a big ass hammer, put it back where it belongs, and put swing arm all back in it. I don't think he wants me to do all this work. I'm pretty sure I don't want to do it. But that's what needs to be done. Otherwise you're going to have a lot of banging noises when you're riding. He likes those noises though, I think. Alright. Try this again with more of a hit. Bingo. Yeah, well, it might be moving. Hello. It wasn't me, I'm not there. Close it up. Yeah, probably an hour rate I'm going. Trying to work. Alright, bye. Alright. I can't tell if I'm moving that damn thing or not. It's dark under there, I can't see. It might be moving. Whew. No, I'm getting tired. Oh well. Let's see. The swing arm might be dropping as I'm beating on this. I don't know. Let's see. I need a reference point. Nothing to reference off of. Socket might do it. Stick this between the frame and the lift. Gives you a reference point. Now really, something a lot bigger than this to do that. Alright. Oops. I'm moving it now. Oh yeah, it's moving. There's a gap between the swing arm and it now. Ugh. Nice light hits. There might be some force involved here. Tatro machine frame straightening. Alright. So this bar now has a gap between it and the swing arm, see? So we are moving it. It's not moving very fast, but it is moving. So the more I can get that toward the center, like right there. So if you get it center of the bend there, you get a lot of better hit. Alright. I kind of line it up. And then wail on it with a big hammer. That's how we do it around here. And eventually, it might be good. Ooh, that was a good hit. Good solid hit there. I like those. Didn't have a bunch of spring back, you just bleh. Yeah, one of those hits. Pretty strong little bar there. Whew. That wasn't a very good hit. Whoa! You're supposed to hit me. In dropping my foot. It's attacking back. That hurt. Ah, it got me. Whew. Hit me in the balls, it didn't do anything. Nailed me in the leg and hit me right in the foot. Oh, that hurts on the foot. It's about a 20-pound piece of steel that fell 3 feet or 2.5 feet. Oh, that foot hurts now. Must be dangerous work around here. But you can see how that bar is getting straighter, see? It's getting downright straight. A couple more whacks. I'm either going to break my foot or I'll get it straight. And that hurts. Ah! That thing hurt me. It definitely hurt when it hit me. Alright, so I'm going to hit it right there again. Oh! This time move my foot out of the way. Must be a little bit of force involved there when you slam that with a 20-pound lead hammer. Ooh. Yep. I think that's the problem. I need a heavier hammer. Yeah. Catch it before it falls on my foot. Oh. I'm going to give it one more, just for going home purposes. Yeah. All right, I think it's enough. I don't want to make this too good for the customer. He won't know what to do. So you can see the bar is getting almost straight under there. Almost. Got a gap in there. Except the swing arm one there, I could really wail on it pretty good. I just had low access right now, but anyway, the wheel's in the air, so the shocks are bottomed out, and we're not hitting the swing arm, so that means the suspension's working correctly again, if ever. Hard to tell on these bikes. So this has a nice narrow cover for a skinny tire, and it's got a fat tire on here, so all this grit goes into the back of the transmission there. See, there's supposed to be a plate on here that's really wide. So they build it this way, or did it get replaced? My guess is they built it this way because they're stupid. Yeah, this thing is wide open in here. Yeah, I wonder if somebody just made that plate up. I might actually have the plate that goes in this bike. What's they got a battery stuck in there? What the hell is that piece of crap? It's probably an electric box. I'm sure that doesn't get filled up with any crap. Yeah. Oh, this must be what's left of the chain guard right here. Yeah. All right. Yeah, wonderful. All right, let me get this mess cleaned up. We'll be back.